Hi y'all, my name is Cijo Kriakos from USA. This is my application called MyJournal, and this project was inspired by another course I was taking online using that at that time that course was doing teaching Node.js, and this project is built using Python, Flask, and SQLite database. So this is a simple journaling application where you can post something with the title and some content, and you can create your own account, which saves all your past information and see your past post for your journal. And here are some screenshots from the application. So if you already have an account, you can log in. If you don't, you can register, create a username and password, and log into your account. And once you log in, you can hit compose to create a new post. Put a title and a post and hit publish, which will reroute you back to the home page. Will show you all the posts that you have. And these texts are truncated to save space. And you can hit read more to go to the individual page where you have the post. And let's just take a live demo. All right, takes you to the application, and you can. I already have a username, so I'm gonna log in, and you can see I currently have 3 posts. You can hit read more to see the full post, and you hit compose. That will take you to a new page where if you want to put some additional content, so I'm gonna put day 4, and I just already have some text that I wrote, so I'm just gonna paste it and hit publish, and that will show you day 4. And say if you didn't like day 4 post, then you can hit read more and hit delete to delete the post. So it's basic, it's simple. But challenge was trying to take the old project and see how I can build it using Flask and Python and SQLite database to make the project work. So thank you all.